According to you, what is the income of the wife?
The husband and wife both are doctors, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship.
What is wife's income?
No income. I have produced the bank statement.
According to you, that she's earning anything placed before the court?
Your Lordship,
Why is she not working from 2016 till now just for that the husband will
Your
give
Lordship,
her?
before marriage she was
And what are all the efforts that are made by her? Please tell what are the facts of the case.
Please, Your Lordship. It's a husband appeal, Your Lordship. Trial court has passed on 25,000 for interim, 25,000, Your Lordship. This Alimony court has modified into 15,000, Your Lordship. Date of marriage, Your Lordship.
Are you paying that?
Yes, Your
15,000?
Lordship. Yes.
15,000.
Yes.
On 31st August
When
2000,
was the petition filed, maintenance?
maintenance filed on, Your Lordship.
It was filed on 24/11/17.
24/11/17. What about the arrears? Arrears also cleared?
60,000 is balance, Your Lordship.
At what rate?
15,000, Your Lordship.
At 15,000 and 60,000 is that to be paid. What is the income of the husband?
1,35,000, Your Lordship.
1 lakh?
35,000.
According to you, what is the income of the wife?
The husband and wife both are doctors, Your Lordship. She's pursued, Your Lordship. Kindly see the.
No, just tell the court, what is your case?
They
You
felt
appear
that.
for the wife.
Yeah, she's
You
a
appear for the wife or husband?
husband, Your Lordship.
What is the wife's income?
No income. I have produced the bank statement. It's only depending upon whatever the maintenance now is paid. Is depending on that, and she has to every month she has to pay 15,000 rent.
No, according to you, that she's earning anything placed before the court?
Your Lordship, she's a doctor, Your Lordship.
What might
She's
be?
Your Lordship. Kindly see the assets and liability, whatever she has filed, Your Lordship. Yeah, they mentioned that the qualification is a BDS and PG and CCIO, and if it means she is a postgraduate and fellowship as she got it, Your Lordship. Even though she falsely mentioned that she's not earning, Your Lordship. She's a doctor and she's a PG and a master of the fellowship.
How long these people are separated?
She separated on 6/6/2016, Your Lordship.
Any children out of the?
Oh, Your Lordship. Marriage has not been consummated, Your Lordship. Both the parties has accept the.
Why is she not working from 2016 till now just for that the husband will?
Your Lordship, before marriage she was working, Your Lordship. After marriage she was working.
After marriage she was not working, and during the pendency of this petition she pursued a PG course. Now she has completed a PG course and she is applying the job. She is not getting any job. That is what information I have received. I asked a specific question. He is making a request for a job.
Where are they? Where are the efforts? Please place before the court, we will see. Whatever she is saying, let us stay on an affidavit saying that right from 2016 till now she is not working, and in spite of her best efforts, affidavit. That in spite of her best efforts, she is not getting a job. And what are all the efforts that are made by her? Because it is somewhat the statement, it can't be considered. Then counsel the petitioner submits that, husband submits that the wife is, both the wife and husband are doctors. According to the land counsel for the appearing for the wife, it is submitted that right from 2016 they are living separately, and right from 2016 till now she is not able to secure a job. In the meantime, she completed a master's also, but though she's trying to secure a job, she couldn't. The wife shall file an affidavit before this court stating that right from 2016 till now, she's not working, and what are the efforts that are made for securing a job? Post this matter on August 12th.
Lordship may record that memo is filed today.
As per the orders passed by this court, the husband has placed before the wife had placed before this court the bank statement of the wife. Yes.